What's up everyone, Paradox here. Today I'm going to show you how to start making money with Pixel Heroes. You can play it on an emulator, download it through Google Play on your PC, or just play directly on your mobile device. It works perfectly on all platforms. Now let's jump straight into the game so I can give you a quick overview and show you exactly how everything works before we get into the money-making strategy. I'll be using the Google Play version directly on Windows for this video. The game is idle, so you barely have to do anything after the initial setup. In the beginning, you'll need to progress a little, but after that, you can basically leave it running, even offline, and let it generate rewards throughout the day. That's what makes it powerful for passive income strategies. You'll stay on each map until you defeat a specific number of monsters. Once you hit the required kill count, just tap the boss icon in the center of the screen and your character will automatically move to fight the boss. After defeating the boss, you advance to the next area. Super simple, fully auto, and perfect for idle progression. As you keep progressing through each area, you'll unlock new skills and features that make your character stronger. Always equip the skills that give you the biggest advantage based on your build and playstyle, then keep pushing forward. The faster you progress, the faster you unlock better upgrades, and that means more efficiency and better rewards. On some maps, you'll run into much stronger bosses. At the beginning, you might need to manually dodge their skills, which appear marked in red on the ground. Just avoid the red zones, keep attacking, and eventually the boss will go down. Later on, once you unlock better gear, it becomes much easier. New accounts actually receive a free legendary gear set, so you'll start off already strong and scale much faster. Now let's get to the part that really matters: how to actually make money with Pixel Heroes. In my opinion, the best and most realistic way to profit right now is by joining the Cross-Chain Creator Program. The incentives for creators are very high. For example, in ROM, I'm currently ranked top 10 as a creator, and I'll be receiving around $2,100 cross tokens, which is roughly $220 US. And the crazy part? It doesn't require a big YouTube channel. I already made a full video explaining step-by-step how to join the creator program. It takes less than 1 minute to apply. I'll leave the card up here so you can watch it after this. And even if you're unsure about how to create videos, edit content, or promote properly, I'll leave my email in the description. I also offer mentorship if you need guidance to get started and scale faster. That's it for today, guys. If you found this valuable, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be replying as soon as possible.